Hello students, welcome to Get My Classes. Question here says plant compromise not more than which of the following. So the whole biodiversity, how much percentage of plants are there? If 70% of the total population of biotech component is animals, then the remaining 30% is distributed among all other type of organisms. That will include bacteria, that will include protista, and that will include fungi and plants. So these are variety of organisms. 70% are animals, remaining 30 are these, in which plants are about 22%. So option A says 20%, option B says 22%, option C says 32%, and option D says 30. 30 is whole, some of them is distributed among bacteria and protista and fungi. 32% is exceeding, so that will make option B 22% is the correct answer. Thank you. I hope you understood.